Reconnect with your inner balance through the wisdom of nature.
We honor the wisdom of the four elements as a path to balance, strength, and inner peace. Earth grounds us. It's our foundation, reminding us to feel safe, supported, and strong. Water flows. It teaches us to heal, to feel, and to let go with grace. Air clears. It brings clarity, fresh thoughts, and space to breathe. Fire ignites. It awakens our passion, our purpose, and inspired action. When these elements are in harmony, we return to ourselves whole, empowered, and radiant. Daily affirmation. I am grounded in earth. I flow with water. I breathe in clarity like air. I rise with the fire of purpose. I am whole and empowered. Image in wellness, empowering your soul journey.